Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about protein and its role in nutrition. It's a well researched topic. A lot of us have a lot of information already. Today, my aim is to just provide you with simple information which is in layman terms, not too technical, and at the same time gives you an insight into why this particular macronutrient called protein is so important to be placed in our diet and needs to be planned well in our daily diet. Now, protein is nothing but a macronutrient. It is responsible for growth and development. It is also responsible for repair. Actually, our entire body, if you look at our muscles, our bones, our tissues, our skin, our hair, all are made of protein. So, if we eat protein, if we consume protein, we are helping to repair, regenerate, and recover what we lose through the general process of life, right? And that's why it becomes very important. Now, how do we get protein? Now, if you are a non-vegetarian, chicken and fish are the and eggs are the best ways to get protein. Chicken actually, one breast of chicken has almost more than 50 grams of protein. Fish has about 20 to 25 grams, like one more than one fish size of salmon has almost 20 grams of protein. Eggs, one big egg will have about 6 to 7 grams of protein. Egg whites are pure protein. If you are a vegetarian, yogurt is a good form of protein. Consuming 1 to 2 servings of yogurt, one bowl of yogurt is 17 grams of protein. Lentils, legumes, 1 cup of lentils, any kind of legumes, beans, has anywhere between 18 to 25 grams of protein. Cottage cheese has protein. Seeds, almonds, nuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds are great sources of protein. Now, what happens is if we say that I'm going to place protein in one part of my meal, which is let's say dinner or breakfast, then we may not be able to meet the protein requirements of our day. So we need to be able to spread the consumption of protein throughout the day. So you need to be able to consume small and meaningful amounts of good protein, which I have just shared, the examples I've just shared throughout the day. And that will make your day full of protein. Now, the advantage of having protein is that it takes a little more time to metabolize in our body. Our body functions, our enzymes, the hormones take more time to break down protein, and hence the feeling of fullness that I've just eaten and for the next 2 to 3 hours I will feel fuller, that feeling of fullness stays for a longer period of time. So we can keep those hunger pangs at bay if we add more protein in every meal. Now, please read up the labels when you're consuming protein. Please read up a little more on the various sources of protein, but I've shared some with you. In fact, if you have any questions, you can always ping me. But try to think of creative ways of adding protein in every meal. For example, breakfast. Eggs could be a good way. Add more egg whites to get protein. Seeds, nuts could be a good way. If you eat oats or if you eat quinoa is a good source of protein. Even oats are a good source of protein. So, having that overnight oats, which is a famous breakfast, adding a little bit of seeds on top of it could be a great way to consume some protein. So there are various examples of doing that, and of course I'm available to help you customize your meals to add more protein. But remember that it is important, and it's as important as zero point 0.8 grams of protein per kg of body weight is the minimum suggested requirement by any global health authority, if you ask me. And if you are an athlete or if you strength train, the requirement goes up. So of course there are protein powders also available in the market, which one can consume if we think that we are not able to meet our nutritional requirements of protein through normal food. We can always do some research on whey protein, and there are multiple other protein sources as well. We can discuss more at a later time. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I plan to come up with more such videos going forward. Thank you so much.